have two questioners that are asking similar questions. The first is Edney Boston Griffiths, who is a medical student from Sierra Leone.
Where is he? Yes.
And Sarah Judy, who became a Muslim after being a Sikh.
Where is he? She. Acha. She became a Muslim after?
She was a Sikh before.
Sikh before.
Sikh.
This is right.
They are questions about the status of men and women in Islam. So the first question is, why is there separation between men and women?
There is no separation between men and women. It's impossible to separate men and women because they are tied according to Islam in the ceremony of marriage, and they are devoted to each other from ever on. So there is no separation in that sense. But to discourage illicit relationship, women are guarded against men's eyes and men's touches because they always try to win women illicitly to them. So women are protected from men. Men are also protected from women. In the same course, both are protected from each other, but the compliments go to the women that Islam considers them to be more pious by nature, more chaste in their nature. And the same, unfortunately, cannot be said about the men of any age.